Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, and you know it's your boy Retro, and today we're going to be playing this new game that just came out. It's called Midnight Stack. It just was released a couple days ago, I think the 2nd of May, and as of recording this, that is May 8th, which will probably be the day that I publish it. So let's get right into this video. I just downloaded it and I am excited. Let's get it. Let's get into it. So this is Midnight Snack and I'm super excited to play this game. So let's get into the options really quick. I can play in 4K. Okay, we're not gonna do that. So I think we're gonna put the, we can keep the audio right there. Oh, I didn't mean to close that. Let's reopen it. That was an accident. There. Okay, let's get into this. Lately, I've been waking up in the dead of the night, haunted by the same recurring dream. I'm so hungry. Okay. I'll eat something up in the microwave. That's what this is? Yo, what? Yo, we're playing through a microwave? Oh my god. You're lying. We're playing through a microwave? How do I move? Hold on. How do I move? How do I move? Wait, I'm confused. Do I literally just look around? Is this how I move? I got an achievement. Yo. Oh, that's how you move. Bro, this game is so confusing. That's how you move. Bro, like this game. This is so confusing. I do not like this at all. This is basically just like a mouse game. You don't really do much with the keyboard. So, how many times am I gonna walk? And of course, why can't I look while I'm walking? There's outside. I got a notion. It's just another song. Like I can't pick up the chocolates. And we're gonna walk right into a rock. And we're walking into a rock. Why is that light flickering? I don't like that. And we walk into a log. And we walk right back. Just made us walk in a different direction. There's a knife with ketchup. There's a hole. I hope I don't walk down it. So, like, the mechanics in this game, I don't know how I feel about them. They scare me. There's a red flashing light. We should go towards it, says the smartest man in the world. That's a little too far. Something wicked this way comes. Oh no. Oh no. You're lying. 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 What is that? What is that? What is that? He sounds like he's getting closer. I can't move. So we're walking into fences now, and I'm dead. I'm dead. It was nice knowing you. Something wicked devoured me. Okay. Well, you know, I tried. Alright, now I know how this works. You know, it's hard to run away from a monster when you have to move like this. I have no idea what way I'm going. So, like, what am I supposed to do here? What was that? Did you see that in the top corner? Did you see that in the top corner, though? There was like a thing. Come on. Locked in. I want to see what happens if you don't die. Let's lock in. So, like, what happens if we don't go to the red light? Is there even another way to go? There's not. I'm stuck! I'm stuck! Yeah, this game sucks. I don't know what to do. I'm disappointed. No, but in all honesty, I can never make a game, so, you know, I can't be talking. Shout out to the creators of this game. Go get it. It is called Midnight Snack. It's on Steam. It is free to play. and it just came out not that long ago. Go make sure it has a great review and everything. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.